My dear children, in this third module, we are going to study another two types of warehouses. They are government warehouses and bonded warehouses. As we know, warehouse is a place where we store the goods from the date of production till the date of actual sales. Government warehouses are owned, managed and controlled by central or state government or public corporations or local authorities. Example, Central Warehousing Corporation of India, State Warehousing Corporation and Food Corporation of India. Then government warehouses the warehouses are fully owned and managed by the government. The government manages them through organizations set up in the public sector. Example, Food Corporation of India, State Trading Corporation and Central Warehousing Corporation. Another type of warehouses is bonded warehouses. These warehouses are licensed to accept imported goods for storage before payment of customs duty. Bonded warehouses are licensed by the government to accept imported goods prior to the payment of tax and customs duty. These are the goods which are imported from other countries. Importers are not permitted to remove goods from the docks or the airport till customs duty is paid. Importers are not in a position to pay the duty in full or does not require all the goods immediately. The goods are kept in bonded warehouses by the customs authorities till the customs duty is paid. These goods are said to be in bond. These type of warehouses are known as bonded warehouses. These warehouses have facilities for branding, packaging, grading and blending. Importers may bring their buyers for inspection of goods and repackage them according to their requirements. Sometimes the goods may be in bulk form. So, the importers may bring their buyers for inspection of goods and repackaging them according to their requirements. Thus, bonded warehouses facilitates marketing of goods. Goods can be removed in part as and when required by the importers and buyers, and import duty can be paid in installments. The importer need not block funds for payment of import duties before the goods are sold or used. Even if he wishes to export the goods kept in the bonded warehouse, he may do so without payment of customs duty. Thus, bonded warehouses facilitate entry port trade. Then, imported merchandise is stored and released only after the payment of appropriate taxes. Cigarettes, liquor, and other products are stored in bonded warehouses. These bonded warehouses are owned and operated by port trust. Acts in two capacities, namely landlord and bailey of goods. The landlord provides storage facilities on rent. As bailey of goods, take responsible care to handle and store the goods as it has lien on goods under the care for charges of its services. Under bonded warehouses, owner can sell the goods wholly or in part by endorsing a warrant to other party. It also facilitates entry port trade. Importer need not pay the import duty in this case. These are the important features of bonded warehouses.